Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to convert TRX to USDT on MEXC. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your MEXC application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the MEXC app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type MEXC and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page. We're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on MEXC. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to convert TRX to USDT on MEXC. From this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the bottom of your screen where you have a couple of icons representing diverse features. You have Home, Market, Trade, Features, and Wallets. Go ahead and click on Trade. Once you click on Trade, it takes you right into this window. Now, the top corner of this window, you have Spot, Futures, and P2P. Ensure that it is set to Spot. Now, right under Spot, you have your cryptocurrency, or you have your coins right there. Now, go ahead and click on that coin that has USDC/USDT. Once you click on that, it takes you right here. Now, in this search bar, all you need to do is to type in TRX. Now, you're going to look for the USDT equivalent of TRX, which is the first thing that is here. That's the TRX/USDT. Now, click on that. Once it is set here, at the top right corner, you have the Buy and the Sell tab. Now, ensure that you set it to sell. Once you set it to sell, that's it. Select your limit. Select your amount, select the quantity. Now you will be able to sell TRX, and once you sell your TRX, you will get USDT in return. So that's how you can convert the TRX to USDT on MEXC. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.